Today is November 16, 2019. In this video is to show this beautiful stainless steel muffler system made by Vintage Speed in Taiwan. Beautiful equipment. I have a modified Sebring style exhaust tip. Be more on that when the body work is done. I have it coming through a section of the rear apron on the body. A shout out here to the engineering team that put this together. It's remarkable the amount of engineering that went into making a system like this, and to the welders that put it together. The welding is just beautiful. I weld, but I don't think I can weld stainless steel and make it come out as beautiful as this. Get one of these systems, you'll be impressed. And it'll probably last for 100 years or more. Combines good performance, styling, durability, and a bit of quieting. You can drive it in your neighborhood and people won't throw things at you. It uses what appears to be the same flanges as a 1972 and later air-cooled Volkswagen bus. They didn't have to redesign the gaskets for it. Beautiful job with the plasma cutting on the flanges themselves. Again, the welding is absolutely prize-winning. This amazed me. It's got a thermal sensor port built in, a plug if you don't use it, and if you do use it, you're set up for fuel injection, or not, just to monitor the exhaust temperature, make sure your carburetors are tuned properly. This cutout is for one of the header pipes on the 1-2 side. Speaking of which, this is the 3 and 4 header pipe, all heavy stainless steel tubing. Number 4 there, and the number 3 fitting is here. There we go. Nice job, guys. I sure enjoy this. And I got to build the engine yet. Well, you know, everybody buys the muffler first, right? Anyway, bye for now. Thank you.